Our next presenter has taken punches from both Robert De Niro and Macaulay Culkin and says Culkin hits harder. And he won an Oscar for Goodfellas. She is the delightful young star and Oscar winner earlier tonight. Please welcome the stars of My Cousin Vinny, Joe Pesci, and Marisa Tomei.
Our category is makeup, and the artists who practice the art of artifice are masters of their craft.
That's right. With some powder, putty, and prosthetics, they can make anyone look any way they want.
They can even take older people and turn them into Utes.
Did you say Utes? That's what I thought you said. Here are this year's nominees for makeup.
Thanks to these makeup artists, V. Neal, Ronnie Spector, and Stan Winston, that rare bird, Danny DeVito, is transformed into an even rarer bird, the Penguin, in Batman Returns. Greg Cannom, Michèle Burke, and Matthew W. Mungle put their heads together to create the many faces and features of that no-account count, Bram Stoker's Dracula. V. Neal, Greg Cannom, and John Blake had a nose for what could turn Jack the actor into Jimmy the Teamster in the movie Hoffa.
Are you done? Is there anything you don't know? And the Oscar for makeup goes to Greg Cannon, Michael Burke, and Matthew Mungle, Bram Stoker's Dracula.
Thank you, Academy. Thanks to my crew, Mitch Devane, Larry O'Dean, Glenn Hahn, Stuart Ardingstall, Linda Natero, John Logan, Roland, Todd, Steve, Matt, Mike, Rob, Helen Cohen, Ron Singer, Dr. Greenspan, Dr. Silver. Especially want to thank Chuck Mulvihill, Fred Fuchs, Gary Martin in Columbia, Aiko, Pat Churchill, Jim Hart, Rick Baker, who I started with many years ago for everything, Dick Smith, John Chambers, William Tuttle, and the other legends. And thank you, Gary Oldman, especially for your incredible performance and patience, and for this and the opportunity. Thank you, Francis Ford Coppola.
Thank you. As a thespian, I grandly welcome this rare opportunity to be myself. To be or not to be. Thank you. My Hamlet has now been seen by 1 billion people. Oh, sit down. Next year, Macbeth. As an actor, people ask me, are you always on? And the answer, of course, is no. No, 1,000 times, no! The nominees for sound effects editing are Aladdin, Mark Mangini. Bram Stoker's Dracula, Tom C. McCarthy and David E. Stone. Under Siege, John Levesque and Bruce Stambler. And the Oscar goes to... I knew it. Clint, you owe me 10. The Oscar goes to Tom C. McCarthy and David E. Stone for Bram Stoker's Dracula.
I'm very honored to be here tonight. I'd like to take this time to thank some people that made this dream come true. Francis Ford Coppola, Fred Fuchs, Gareth Wiggins, the people of Sony Studios, the Sony Studios Post-Production Sound Department, our Foley Walkers, mixers at Zoetrope, and to a crew that this belongs to all of us. Thank you very much.
I want to thank Francis Ford Coppola, Fred Fuchs, Chuck Mulvihill, Ann Gorseau, and Nick Smith, And Tom and I are here representing an army of creative people with more than 15 editors of dialogue, effects, ADR, and Foley, and the Foley and ADR artists and mixers. And thanks to Leslie Schatz and his team of mixers and designers. Special thanks to Steve Bourne, Dave Cohn, to my wife Vanessa, and my son Nathaniel. It's nap time.
And Dusty, Lindsay, and Roxanne.
You know, it's interesting. Sound effects editing. I can't believe that NBC News wasn't nominated for that. What do you think? You turned so quickly.